In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Cronos to MetaMask. Very simple and very easy. Let's do this. My name is Adam Shelton, and let's go ahead and do this right now. Now, the first thing you want to do after you logged in to MetaMask, come right here to down arrow button and click on Add Network. Now, I have already added the Cronos information, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again. It's not going to let me do it and show you how to do it. Now, the first thing you want to do is network name, type in Cronos. And I'll have the steps in the description box so you can follow along as well. Okay, so then the next thing I want is the new RPC URL. Let me go ahead and zoom in for a minute. And I'm going to get the link. It's going to look just like this right here. Boom, copy, paste this right there. Okay. This URL is currently used by Cronos Network. So I've already added this, but I'm just showing you how I originally added this from the beginning. Now, the next thing is the chain ID is going to be 25. The symbol is going to be CRO. And then the block explore URL is going to be the chronoscan.com. Okay. And then if you click on here, it looks just like that. So after that, I will click on save. But since I've already have this, I can go right here. I can go ahead and cancel this part here because I've already have it. And this is the way it looks like when you go ahead and add it in. The network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, the current symbol, and the block explorer URL. That's all you have to do. Now, if you want to add in any type of token or project, this is what you do. Click on the X button. And so now you see Cronos. So if I want to import a token, click on here, import token. And from here, I need to get the token contract address for Cronos. Now, this is what I normally do. I will go to Dextools, click on Dextools.com. I'll have the link in the description. Look for a Cronos project here, okay? So let's say I was trying to add in the USDC under the Cronos network. I'll click on the token address. And I'll go back to the MetaMask under Cronos. You see Cronos right there. Click there, boom. And there it is, USDC. It's a token, this decimal 6. I click on add custom token. This is it right here. If you want to port this, click on import token. And then you will see it under here. Click on the back arrow button. And once a purchase is being made or any type of transaction or activity, you will see the token under here as long as I'm using USDC. So that's how you do it. My name is Adam Shelton, and you see the video on the bottom left? Check that out over there, and I'll see you over there in a few minutes.